The BRABUS 900 Deep Blue redefines high-performance luxury with a unique, stylish signature character. It is sharp, sophisticated. It is a look that captures the timeless beauty and the sheer power of the ocean in every single one of its many details. Based on the Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet, this BRABUS masterpiece merges cutting-edge BRABUS engineering with boundless modern individuality, making every drive an unforgettable experience. Wheels and tires. Exclusive 22/21-inch BRABUS Monoblock Z Platinum Edition high-end wheels. Tires front axle, 255/30Z, R21. Rear axle, 335/25Z, R22. This bespoke Masterpiece Roadster is equipped with a 3.8-liter flat-six engine paired with twin BRABUS turbochargers, producing 662 kilowatts/900 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters/737 pound-feet of torque. The same specially developed high-performance engine that powers the BRABUS 900 Rocket R. It catapults the BRABUS 900 Deep Blue from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, in just 3 seconds, 2.5 seconds, delivering unbelievable acceleration through its precision-engineered 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which can be shifted either manually or automatically. The advanced electronically controlled all-wheel drive system guarantees impeccable traction and stability, ensuring superior control at all times. The supercar's top speed is electronically limited to 340 kilometers per hour, 211 miles per hour. Inside, the BRABUS 900 Deep Blue offers an ocean of bespoke luxury developed to tastefully complement the supercar's bold exterior with an equally extravagant one-second wow effect. Featuring the finest BRABUS ice blue leather throughout, the entire cockpit is adorned with exquisite BRABUS ellipse quilting on the seat surfaces, door panels and floors of both the cockpit and the luggage compartment. Carbon elements across the dashboard, center console, and steering wheel reflect the brand-typical combination of performance and style. The interior trim elements, finished in BRABUS Shadow Gray, provide a subtle yet striking contrast. Aluminum pedals and a footrest with backlit BRABUS logo integrate seamlessly into the design while offering optimal grip.